What's the meaning of buy? Buy. Buy.
Buy. Buy. The term buy refers to the act of exchanging money for a product or service. When a person buys something, they are effectively purchasing ownership of the item in question, with the understanding that it will be available for their use or benefit. This transfer of ownership can take place through a variety of mediums, including physical stores, online marketplaces, and private transactions. The result of buying something is the acquisition of the purchased item, which can range from tangible goods like clothing or electronics to intangible services like legal advice or entertainment. Overall, buying represents a key aspect of modern consumer culture and economic activity.